What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. So here the CASIO G-Shock watch unboxing. Okay, here we go. This is the CASIO international warranty card. Awesome, nothing else in the box. Okay, CASIO. Okay, we got a manual, we got this, I don't know what it is, and then finally we got the translucent blue color watch. Okay, the display is inward. Let me just clean the display. Okay, the display is inward. Can you see? Can I turn the ear light on? So yeah, here it is. Can you see? Let me make it lower so it will be better for you to see. I'm somewhat a little bit disappointed with it, to be honest with you. I'm just trying to be honest. I'm a little bit disappointed with it. I don't know why. I was expecting a little bit more than this crap. Okay, yeah. Don't think it's a bad watch, but I don't like the display. And blue is not that beautiful blue I was wishing. It's okay. It's a mediocre watch at best. Maybe buy another G-Shock. Yeah, it's just a mediocre watch at best, as you can see. I don't know what else to say. At the end of it, it's just a mediocre watch at the best. That's all I can say. Okay, it look nice in the wrist, but the translucent blue is not that really translucent. It's like a jelly translucent. It's quite bad at the end of the day to my eyes, it seems. I really don't know what to say, to be honest with you. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy, a geek. Subscribe and bye.